Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect broker in MetaTrader application. Keep watching the video till the end. To connect broker on MetaTrader, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader application. The home page of MetaTrader application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left side of the page and tap on Manage Accounts. Now click on plus icon. On the next page, tap on Open a Demo Account option. Now on the Find Broker option, enter Forex or any broker that you would like to connect. Click on Create Account option. It will connect to the broker once you click on Done. This is how you can connect to broker on MetaTrader application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.